Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and today I'm going to let you in on a secret. What if I told you that in just 5 minutes every morning, you could give yourself the energy of a full night's rest, protect your heart and your brain, and even add healthy years to your life? I know what you're thinking. I don't even have 5 minutes. Mornings are chaos. But here's the truth. You do, and I'll show you how. These are not complicated recipes. They are doctor-approved hacks. So simple, so affordable, and so powerful that once you learn them, you'll wonder why nobody told you earlier. And here's the best part, the most exciting hack I've saved for the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So grab a seat, take a deep breath, and let's dive into 5-minute longevity breakfast hacks designed for busy moms just like you. Now, let's start with something we often take for granted, breakfast. You've probably heard the phrase, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But here's the science behind it. When you wake up, your body has been fasting for 8, maybe 10 hours. The very first food you put in sets the tone for your blood sugar, your energy levels, and even your mood throughout the entire day. If your breakfast is skipped or filled with sugary processed foods, your blood sugar spikes, then crashes. That leaves you feeling tired, irritable, and craving more unhealthy snacks before noon. But when your breakfast is balanced, rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, something amazing happens. Your metabolism wakes up, your concentration improves, and most importantly, you reduce the silent inflammation that fuels chronic illnesses like diabetes and heart disease. So here's my doctor's note for you. A smart breakfast is not just fuel, it's prevention. Prevention against fatigue today and against disease in the years ahead. That's why in this video, every hack I share will be designed to give you that protection in just 5 minutes. All right, let's dive into our first hack, overnight oats. Now don't roll your eyes just yet. I know you've probably heard of oats before, but let me tell you why this simple bowl is one of the most powerful longevity breakfasts you can have. Oats are packed with fiber, especially a special kind called beta-glucan that helps lower cholesterol, balance blood sugar, and keep you feeling full for hours. That means no mid-morning crash and no reaching for cookies at 10 a.m. Here's the best part. Preparing overnight oats takes less than 2 minutes before bed. You just mix rolled oats with milk or yogurt. Add some seeds like chia or flax for an omega-3 boost, and toss in fruits like berries or banana slices for natural sweetness. By morning, your breakfast is ready. No cooking, no stress. And for busy moms, this is gold. You can make 2 or 3 jars at once, keep them in the fridge, and you've solved breakfast for half the week. So remember this, a tiny 2-minute habit at night gives you hours of energy the next day and silently protects your heart and metabolism for years to come. That's the magic of overnight oats. Next, let's talk about a hack that is creamy, refreshing, and packed with strength. The protein yogurt bowl. Why is this so important? Because protein is the key to keeping your muscles strong, your metabolism active, and your energy steady all day long. And as moms, your body works hard. It needs that repair and support every single morning. Here's how you do it. Take a plain cup of yogurt. Greek yogurt, if you have it, or regular plain yogurt works fine. Then add half a banana for natural sweetness and potassium, a sprinkle of flax seeds or chia seeds for fiber, and just a drizzle of honey if you like. The result? A bowl that takes less than 5 minutes to prepare, but gives you hours of fuel. And here's a little doctor's tip. Don't buy flavored or sugary yogurts. They're often packed with hidden sugars. Instead, start with plain yogurt and build your flavor naturally with fruits and seeds. Not only is it healthier, but it's also more affordable. Remember this. A protein-rich breakfast isn't just about today's energy. It's about protecting your muscles and metabolism as you age. That's the quiet power of a simple yogurt bowl. Now, for those mornings when you're running out the door, nothing beats a power smoothie. Here's why I love this hack. In one glass, you can pack vegetables, fruits, protein, and healthy fats, all blended into a quick, delicious breakfast that takes just 5 minutes. Start with a handful of spinach. Don't worry, you won't even taste it once it's blended. Spinach gives you iron, folate, and antioxidants that protect your cells. Add a cup of frozen berries, blueberries, strawberries, or whatever is available. These bring antioxidants that slow down aging and keep your brain sharp. Next, pour in milk or a plant-based milk. Then add 1 spoon of nut butter, peanut butter, almond butter, whatever you have. This gives you protein and healthy fats to keep you full. Blend it all together. And in less than 5 minutes, you have a meal that's refreshing, nutrient-dense, and portable. And here's my little hack within a hack. Prep smoothie packs ahead of time. Keep small freezer bags with spinach and fruits already portioned. In the morning, just grab a bag, toss it in the blender, and you're done. That's the beauty of a power smoothie. It fuels your morning, protects your long-term health, and fits perfectly into even the busiest schedule. And finally, let's talk about a hack that's quick, filling, and portable: the whole wheat wrap. This is perfect for moms who need to grab breakfast and keep moving. All you need is a whole wheat chapati or tortilla. Spread on a thin layer of avocado for healthy fats. Add scrambled egg for protein, and then tuck in some vegetables, like spinach, tomato slices, or even leftover grilled chicken from last night's dinner. Roll it up, and you've got a breakfast that balances protein, fiber, and good fats, all in one hand. Why is this so powerful? Because it prevents those mid-morning crashes. Instead of spiking and dropping your blood sugar, it keeps your energy steady. You feel satisfied, alert, and ready to take on the day. And here's my little tip. If mornings are truly rushed, prep the filling the night before. In the morning, it takes just 1 minute to wrap and go. So think of this wrap as your personal shield, protecting your energy in the moment, while also protecting your heart and metabolism for the future. So let's take a moment to recap. In less than 5 minutes each morning, you can choose foods that fuel your energy today and protect your health for years to come. We talked about overnight oats, your fiber-packed, heart-healthy friend. We built a protein yogurt bowl for strength and metabolism. We blended a power smoothie for antioxidants and brain support. And we rolled up a whole wheat wrap for steady energy on the go. Remember this, these are not luxury meals. They are simple, affordable, and practical choices that fit right into a busy mom's life. And even if you start with just one of these hacks, you're already taking a powerful step toward longevity. Here's what I want you to do. Try one of these hacks tomorrow morning and tell me in the comments which one worked best for you. And always remember, taking 5 minutes for yourself is not selfish. It's a gift to your family, because when you're strong, healthy, and energized, everyone around you benefits. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore even more doctor-approved secrets for a longer, healthier life.